think, Marge. All I need is a title.
Welcome, 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 everybody. This is GamerCat, and you're watching GamerCat Plays Hearthstone. And in today's episode, we will continue, hopefully, to climb the ladder and get more of our warrior cards played to help out with our daily quest for today. I have this idea to use the old to throw my name into the old Spider-Man theme song, but yeah, we'll see if this works. You may have to get me drunk in order to do that, but
Garrosh versus Garrosh.
we'll see. You know,
Bring it on.
GamerCat. You know, I have to work on the lyrics too, so yeah. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm even thinking about that. Well, I got a halfway decently good hand here. Get off more destructive subjects. GamerCat does whatever a GamerCat does. Oh my god. Oh no. That way, in that direction lies torture. Lots and lots of torture. Alright, lots and lots of charge and face planting. Can he swing on a web? No, he can't. He's a GamerCat. Oh, I'm bad. Oh. Look out, here comes the GamerCat. Okay, I completed the whole thing. Shut up now.
I have an axe to grind.
Good. Let's see, that'd be 4, 6. Good. I got an axe. I got something for that axe that you're grinding. There you go. That'll be him, and him, and you, and we end up with a 4 something out there. Very good.
This document looks really bad.
You know, looks like I've got, you know, here, you, out, kill that, don't care, still don't care. Easily manageable, I think, at this moment.
I bleed for Cthulhu.
Cthulhu's in there anywhere? Really? Well, here, let me do this. You got 4. I like 4. Okay. Kind of not quite what I want, but we're fine. Hold on. Yeah. hurry up and get Cthulhu out. Oh, what are you going to do? You gotta do something about the fact that he has both Divine Shield and Taunt. Oh, there you go.
Speak to me.
Ow. Alrighty. You know what? This is a good idea here. A 7-3. There we go. We like that. And let's make you defend it now. Okay, I've got lethal. And I've got lethal two ways. Because her, and I can add this to my Arcanite Reaper next turn and make him a 7. So he has to kill everything on the board. There's one. Looking for damage there. What you're looking for. That'll do it. But there you go. You might live for one more turn. 3, 6, 8. Ooh, got it. All right then. I misread the card. It's a lot more effective than I thought it was. Very good. All right. Well, that was certainly a good one there. We got ourselves another taunt minion out there, and we got ourselves another victory as a warrior. So there we go. All right. Well, if you enjoyed, I certainly enjoyed that one. If you did too, feel free to leave comments in the comment section below. In the meantime, this is GamerCat signing off. GamerCat does whatever GamerCat does. Can he swing on a web? No, he can't. He's a GamerCat. Look out, here comes the GamerCat.